Hello, this is an instructional video called Instant, Instant, Instant. I feel it's necessary as an addition to my other high-speed practice videos. When you do high-speed practice as well as on-speed practice, I feel it's crucial to write the stroke as instantly as possible. To write the stroke for each word at the same moment that the best court reporter in the world would write it. In other words, with no hesitation possible, immediately. Well, you ask yourself, I thought I was just supposed to not drop. Well, this will result in not dropping. But if I just tell you, get a stroke for everything and don't drop, you might still hesitate and then try to catch up, and you'll do a lot of hesitation, but you'll try to catch up and you'll say, see, I didn't drop. That is not the proper way to do high-speed practice. We have got to instantly write every stroke. So, you write instant, 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 instant. So, Mark, are you saying that if I have the choice to slightly hesitate and make a perfect stroke, or write instantly and a messy one, you want me to write instantly and do the messy one? Yes, because you must get in the habit and put your brain in the habit of writing instantly above all. Above accuracy? No. Yes, above accuracy, because instant is crucial. So, do the take at high speed, writing instant, 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 no matter how bad the stroke is going to be. Then write it again. It'll be better, and still instant, instant, instant. Then go down a little bit, write slower, instant, instant, instant. Eventually, you'll keep slowing it down to a speed that's easy for you, right? And when it's easy for you, you should be able to write very clean. Now, Mark, can I hesitate a little to make perfect strokes? No. Still, instant, instant. No hesitation. And eventually, by doing it over and over, you will learn to write those strokes instantly. Writing instant is more important than writing accurately, because if you try to write accurately, you will hesitate often trying to write accurately, and therefore you will drop often. Period. End of question. So, instant, 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 instant. Now, I will give you an example of a figure skater. Let's say there's a young man, a figure skater, practicing for the Olympics, and he's doing a routine. His coach is watching him. He does the routine, and when he's done, she says, you're forgetting your posture. You need to have your shoulders back, your head up. You've got to keep that posture throughout the whole routine, or it kind of messes everything else up. So go back out there, do the routine, and keep the posture. So he goes back out, and every so often she has to say, posture, head back, shoulders back, and constantly remind him to do the whole routine with the shoulders back, with good posture. Well, this is the same thing. Posture is instant. Instant writing is crucial to pass tests, to not drop. And so, whatever you would normally do, that's fine, except do it instantly. And if you keep practicing, that instant will become very pretty. And I will tell you that when I do write instantly, well, let me back up. When I test myself at something that's going to be difficult, it's no different than you testing yourself at something that's different. Maybe my speed is faster, but other than that, there's no difference. It's just as difficult for me as it is for you. Well, if I do high-speed practice beforehand, and I write instant, instant, instant throughout the take, number one, I will not drop in the take, and number two, there's an 80% chance I will pass it. Well, if it's 20% chance you didn't pass, why didn't you pass? Maybe the material was just too hard. Maybe it was just a little bit beyond my range. That's usually why I wouldn't pass. Now, you give me a test that is even harder than that, that's one level higher than I can probably do. Here's what will happen. I'll do high-speed practice. I'll write instant, instant, instant. I probably won't drop, but it will just be too messy to transcribe. And that's okay. That just means it's out of my level, all right, if that's the case. So, back to you. If you learn to practice this way with instant, instant, instant at all times, you will begin to not drop at all, and you will start to pass tests, 80% of the time at least. Remember to do high-speed practice just before your test, and throughout your test, stay on the speaker, which means instant, instant, instant. It's the same as saying stay on the speaker. But I'm giving you 3 new words to remind you how close to stay on the speaker, as close as is humanly possible. All right? Get out there and write instant, instant, instant.